Baby, she is giving. This is 250% density, baby. Look at her. Baby, this is not washed or conditioned. She's fresh out of the pack. The only thing I've done so far was pluck her. But we're going to roll the clips back, okay? So, today's unit is from Reshine Hair. We are here with them again, and I'm super excited. I do have their 4x4 HD waterway wig. She is 30 inches, baby, 30. And she 250% in density. But look at her, y'all. Look how good she freaking looks. It comes with 3 combs in total and a pair of drawstrings at the nape. Now to install her, I just have my hair braided up in like 8 cornrows, and I put my mesh cap on, and now we throwing on the wig. Like I said, I did pluck her off camera. I'm going in with my bedhead wax stick just to prep her for hot combing, because I do want this area, the closure, to be less dense. I'm straightening up the part. I believe it came with a part, y'all, because the part was super duper straight, you know, so. So now we're taking our hot comb and just running it through the hair. Like I said, I just want this area to be a little less dense. Now plucking it also helps it look not as full too. So, but if you don't know what you're doing as far as plucking, you can always use a hot comb to get it super duper flat. So we're gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. Now this is the HD closure, y'all. So today I'm not gonna add any tinting spray underneath with the lace, y'all. I'm gonna install her as is, and we're gonna blend as we're going along. Okay, so I'm excited to see how this is gonna turn out, but I feel like I have a good feeling about this. Okay, y'all see that? What lace? What closure, baby? Melted. Anyway, we're going in with our Ebin Wonder Lace bonding spray. I'm going to spray this a little longer than the closure because I am going to stretch it. So the perimeter that I spray is just a little bit longer than the actual closure itself, because just like I said, I'm going to stretch it. But I put about 3 to 4 layers, and I'm going to wait until it's tacky. I do have my blow dryer on a cool heating setting. I touch it here and there once it's tacky. If it's not, just let it go a little bit longer. But once it's tacky, you're going to go ahead and pull it right on in. And look at the melt, y'all. Look how it's just melting into my forehead. So my forehead, the makeup that I have on my forehead is going to act as the tinting spray today. So yeah, that's what I did, but it looks super duper good, but you know, we got to do a little work to it. So I'm just pushing my closure in, but obviously I need a little bit more spray towards the end. So sometimes I find like the closure, the ends don't be sticking all the way down. So you're just going to have to add more lace spray and then add more heat as well, just so everything is nice and adhered. My comb is dirty, y'all. It is dirty. It needs to be clean. It's trifling. But y'all see me just going back in to trim off that little tad thing, because I hate that. Went in with Red by Kiss Tinted Lace Wig Powder. This is my first time working with powder, so I don't know. This product is new to me. It may not be new on the market. Look at my face. I was like, I used the lighter one first, and then I used the darker one on the other side. But as you guys can see, you really can't tell a difference. So anyway, we're just going to put our elastic band on and call it a day, okay? Once I do have it parted to my liking, I do like to thin it out. I don't have my tweezers with me, so I'm just going to go in and use my fingers to pull out sections just to thin it out. Be careful if you're newbie at this, because baby, you will get a big hole trying to thin out the section. So just make sure you're pulling one strand at a time and keep moving. Don't just pull too many hairs in one area. So anyway, y'all do see me trimming it up. Okay, I do like my baby hairs to be fairly short. I don't really care for the big swoops that go all the way down to your eyebrows. I don't like that, but do what you do. So anyway, I'm just using my mini flat iron today to create my baby hairs, and I'm just gonna curl away from my face. I'm going in with my Got to Be Glued. I found a brand new bottle of this, y'all, in my closet, and I was like, baby, where you been? So y'all know I was hyped when I pulled this out, because I'm like, I love using this stuff on my baby hairs, because baby, it doesn't make it look hard and crunchy, but just know your baby hairs are not going nowhere. I'm gonna see me swooping. They too long, so we're gonna trim them up and we're gonna swoop them again, because like I said, I don't want them touching my eyebrows. I just don't. Now I'm just going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I'm using the lighter shade to go into the center part to define it. Y'all see how the wig just comes alive once you define the part. It's just like boom, bam. Okay, that actually could be her hair, you know? I'm cleaning it up, the mess that I made, with the makeup wipe, because I don't have my Sharpie. I am going back in with my hot comb just to, you know, just give this section a little bit more oomph. I did spray some spray on it and it turned white, so I had to go in with a makeup wipe and remove all that. But y'all know I was just trying to get that laid look with the product on there, but it worked out. So boom, we about to get into the curly hair portion. Okay, this wig is super duper cute. Y'all can come for me, okay? You can. So I'm not gonna really do too much to the back. I'm gonna refresh those later, but I'm focused on the front section because I did go in and pluck the closure section, meaning that it's poofy. So I want my curls today to be very much defined. So I'm going in with my dimming brush and we're gonna go ahead and brush it all out. Today I'm using my olive oil foam wrap lotion. Y'all, I love this stuff. I love it, period. I'm gonna take some water and I'm gonna make sure my hair is a little bit more than damp. I'm gonna run my dimming brush back through it once again, and we're gonna add water until everything is not fully dry, okay? Now, with some dry patches in there, but I figured out the routine once I got to the other side of my hair. But normally, you just want the hair entirely saturated with water, not dripping, but it's wet, and then go in with the foam wrap lotion. Now, with this method, your curls are not gonna poof up to a 250% density, okay? Like I said, this unit is 250%, but when it's defined, it goes down to about 200, 180-ish, if that makes sense. So be mindful of the products that you use on curly hairs. Look at that, y'all. That is amazing, okay? The ends look a little dry, but we're gonna fix it. So this is the back. These are the curls, how they came. And as you guys can see, this is the front, how they're, you know, more defined. They look more juicy. They look alive. And all I used was water and foam wrap lotion. See, that's why I love me some good curly hair. So we're just gonna do the same exact thing to the other side. Yes, I'm gonna be quiet so y'all can watch that because I'll be talking too much. this is the back. Like I said, I just wanted to go in and refresh the curls so they don't look like dried out, or because you know the curls been dry for some time, so I want them to look alive and just juicy and stuff like that. So I'm just going in with some water, and as you guys can see, I'm not brushing out the curls. I'm just adding water, and there's some shedding. I'm just adding water directly to the curls, and I'm just adding the foam wrap lotion on top of it. I am, you know, running my hands through it, but I'm not separating the curls at all, okay? And as you guys can see, it looks bomb.com. Look at that, y'all. After I get done both sides, this is how juicy it looks. Now, you guys can see it's defined, so it doesn't look as thick as it did at the beginning, but the curls is given, okay? They are given. So this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. This unit gets a 10 out of 10. Y'all, if y'all need a unit for last minute vacation, back to school, I definitely recommend this unit because she is given, okay? I did get a little bit of shedding during my curly hair routine, of course, when I plucked it. So you're gonna get shedding. You're gonna get minor tangling as well. Y'all, I'm obsessed, okay? So if you guys are interested, don't forget to check out the information, which is listed in the description section below. Until further ado, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.